So the team, how does it? Who is it looking forward? Is it pressure there, or are you all girls excited to play at home?
Well, yeah, I mean, this World Cup is going to happen after 12 years, but no pressure at all. We all are, looking really well. The practice games we played, we tried, try to tick all the boxes. So we all are very excited that we are getting this opportunity playing World Cup in home conditions. So I think nothing more we can ask as a cricketers.
Yeah. Yeah. Uh, we have seen that in England and some other places, we have used 3 to 4 spinners. Do you think you will continue that strategy since it has paid dividends, or you will opt for an additional pace bowler?
Well, spinners are always been our biggest strength. They were always there when team needed, and no doubt whenever we shown more trust on them, they always done well for the team. But today we have come, we have practice session. We'll see how the pitch is behaving and conditions and everything. Then accordingly we'll decide like who we have to pick in playing 11.
Yes. Hi, Arman. A World Cup, but it's all seems a little new in that sense. You haven't played at this venue or even some of the other venues that will host games. How do you prepare for the unknown? And in a bigger picture, what comes to your mind about this specific World Cup? Because you played a lot, but this yet seems different.
Yeah, no doubt. It's a quite new venue for us, but in India, many stadiums have very similar feel, similar pitches, and we have played a lot of cricket in India. But for us, we are taking as an opportunity. We always wanted to, host ICC event where we can do well, we can enjoy the conditions and the playing front of home crowd. So I think entire team is very excited. We are really looking forward. We have been playing good cricket. Now it's the only time where we can keep ourselves in the positive place and enjoy our cricket.
Yes. Just to add to what Susan was asking, India played 320s in 320s in Bollywood. You were not part of that squad, I think. You
Yeah.
had an ankle injury or something.
Yeah.
What is your feeling about Guwahati as a city? Have you been here to play domestic cricket? Do you have any experience of playing here? And there's another question, fitness update. If you can. Is everyone aware of this?
Well, yeah, I mean, we played in 2019, if I'm not wrong, three T20s here. That time I wasn't there. I was injured. But those were day games, and now we are playing day and night. And I'm sure after so many years, conditions must have changed what we played that time. But as I mentioned, because we have seen so much cricket on TV, that Indian conditions always remain same. The only thing is which we have to keep in mind, that is the dew factor, because that we have to access how dew factor is going to be, uh, uh, because of the weather and everything, lights will be on. So I think some things we have in our mind to access how things will be tomorrow. And as you asked, the second thing was the fitness. All are fit, all are looking in good shape, and looking forward for tomorrow's match.
Yeah.
उनका उसके आगे वर्ल्ड कप और फैंस फैंस से क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस है कितने टाइम का एक्सपेक्ट है वुमेन्स क्रिकेट शो अपना फैंस मिलते हुए वो पहले मिलनी चाहिए और इनको लेके स्ट्रेटजी क्या है कि वो मीडियम फास्ट बॉलर है और कंप्लीट एक दिन
Well, I think past 3 4 years we have seen packed stadiums whenever we played in home conditions. So I think fans की तरफ से तो we don't think we have faced anything that they didn't come to watch us whenever we played. Not only in India, even if you're playing even outside India, they are coming and supporting us. And I think they've been outstanding. They've been supporting us all the time, no matter what the performers are there always coming and cheering us. So I think home conditions and home World Cup is always very special, and I am sure they are going to come here and support us throughout the tournament. And hopefully, this World Cup will even more special for both of us. We both as a team and as a fans. I think we'll try to create a special memory for both sides. Well, I think we played more ODI cricket for sure after the last ICC T20 World Cup, and all these matches. I think, if I'm not wrong, we won most of the games, and I think that definitely given us a lot of confidence to do well in ODI cricket, because our team has always done well whenever we played ODI cricket. We have now a lot of experience. This group played together for so many years, so I think the team roles, many things are clear. If I talk about batting order or bowling department, I think everybody knows their role very well. I think that is something which, as a captain, I always think that whoever is in the team, they should know their role. They should know when they are going to perform for the team. I think the clarity is there, and as a team, I think we have created so many magic moments for women's cricket that has definitely given us a lot of confidence to do well in ODI cricket also.
I have been all the way back to the World Cup. अर्जुन आपने पिछले दो जो इन्हें वर्ल्ड कप हुए थे 2013 में 2016 में दोनों आपने खेले थे एक प्लेयर की नजरों से बताइए क्या बदला है कितना बदला है आप एक प्लेयर की पर्सपेक्टिव से
एक तो आई थिंक पहले 5 फील्डर बाहर होते थे, अभी 4 हो गए हैं। और उसके बिना नाउ वी आर प्लेइंग इन बिगर स्टेडियम्स। लास्ट टाइम हम सीसीआई में खेले थे, बट अभी बिग स्टेडियम्स में खेल रहे हैं। एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट, आई थिंक दैट टाइम आल्सो स्टेडियम्स पर फैन बहुत आए थे। उन्होंने हमेशा, जैसे मैंने पहले मेंशन करा, एवरी टाइम दे हैव कम एंड सपोर्ट अस। So और उससे उसके बिना, if I have to have now many times we have hit more than 300 runs on the board, जो पहले बहुत नॉर्मली नहीं होता था। अब वो बहुत few moments होते थे यहाँ पर, team is hitting big scores on the board. So I think बहुत सारी changes तो है, like if I start, I think रात निकल जाएगी, but I think in a short note, I think बहुत सारे positive है। That is something which is going to give us a lot of confidence now when we are going to play.
हम इंडिया और श्रीलंका पोस्ट कर रहे थे तो श्रीलंका की कैप्टन ने भी कहा कि वो चाहते हैं कि इस बार कोई एशियन जो टीम है वो चैंपियन बने। एशिया में इंडिया स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट टीम आप लगता है कि इंडिया का बेस्ट चांस है वर्ल्ड चैंपियन।
Yeah, I mean, chance तो काफी ज़्यादा है, to be honest, because I'm not just saying because we are going to, we have advantage of playing home in home, but the amount of cricket we have played and the results we have got in last, a couple of years, I think that shows we have, a depth in our game, whether it's batting or bowling. We have, improved a lot of areas. So I think chances are there, but I think tomorrow is our first game. Our main focus is on tomorrow's game and setting the tone for us. That is something we are really looking forward. And hopefully, we'll keep playing our good cricket the way we have played in past 1.5 years. And hopefully, we'll not take any pressure. We'll keep enjoying the way we have enjoyed last time whenever we got the opportunity. And I think those things are important. And other just thinking too many things. But yeah, I mean, it's a very exciting tournament for us, and I just want all of us to stay in a very positive frame of mind where we can give our best.
Ronaldo, I want to ask about Marotta Masaki. She has been working as a placement. She knows about the last
Can you please be a little louder? Sorry.
year.
Yeah,
I want to ask about Masaki. She has been caught in the Indian team as a replacement.
yeah.
She knows about Masaki and her research in chance of getting her the first match. But the replacement and in the future also in the World Cup, as she has been there, as been with us in the team, as she might get a chance in this World Cup.
See, it's an advantage that we have one local girl who can help us with the conditions, as we haven't played much cricket here. But right now, I don't think it's the right time to reveal our playing 11. But in the last two practice matches, she has shown the caliber she has, and she batted beautifully in both the innings. She is someone who is equally important in our team. But yeah, I mean, she looks ready. If she get opportunity, I'm sure she will definitely give 100%.
Hi everyone, all the best World Cup. This is your first World Cup as a ODI World Cup as a captain.
So how is it different as a captain from T20 World Cup, your mission, vision, and thoughts? How is it different?
Look, I've been leading from so many years now, especially in the World Cups, in T20 World Cups. This is my first opportunity where I'm going to lead ODI side also. So I do have experience like how things work in, especially in ICC events. But yeah, I think it was one of my dream to lead my team in ODI World Cup. So I have got this opportunity, and I hope me and my team both give our best to to win this World Cup.
যিকোনো খবৰৰ বাবে যোগাযোগ কৰক 7099017330 লগতে 7099017110 নম্বৰত।